Why choose composite decking to uplift the sweetness of your exterior house? Why pick a composite decking? What are the advantages of composite decking? There are a portion of the oftentimes posed inquiry rotating on the web these days. Indeed, a wooden deck can truly upgrade the magnificence of the outside space, yet wood should be consistently kept up. It gets dangerous when wet. Not long after it begins to age, it will begin to blur its unique tone, and at last it will begin to decay. There are numerous option decking materials accessible in the business sectors that the house proprietors choose, yet the composite decking copies the genuine wooden deck. It is created from the mix of genuine wood and plastic. The blend of wood and plastic to make the composite decking offers another item that contentions with a significant number of the issues that wooden deck face. On the off chance that you are keen on supplanting your wooden deck, look for organizations who have involvement with introducing composite decking in your state. Request their proposal and give them the thought regarding what you have as a top priority. The following are a portion of the reasons why you ought to consider picking composite decking instead of wooden or some other option. Support is low. Do you continually need to clean, check and overhaul your wooden deck? I am certain that you would not get an opportunity to appreciate it. Indeed, one among the benefits of getting a composite deck introduced is that you simply will invest negligible energy keep up its unique look. You would not need to stress over canvas, fixing or in any event, recoloring it as you would do with the other decking materials. The composite decking is famous for its toughness and solidness. It will keep up its appearance even subsequent to facing the most exceedingly awful climate conditions. Concerning cleaning, while it is unquestionably recommended to wash composite decking in any event once in a month, everything necessary is a brisk shower with a nursery hose to make it look all around great. Concerning cleaning, while it is unquestionably recommended to wash composite decking in any event once in a month, everything necessary is a brisk shower with a nursery hose to make it look all around great. Intense and sturdy. Doesn't make a difference if your summers are loaded up with singing warmth and hefty rainfalls or your winters are ankling cold. You can generally depend on composite decking to withstand unfavorable climate condition. The blend of wood and plastic make up a solid material that won't permit its shading blur or wear out even after it has been in consistent presentation to the sun or nippy temperatures. Style choice. While toughness and perseverance are without a doubt significant parts of an outside deck, you additionally need something that is to some degree eye-getting. Composite decking comes in several styles, tones, and examples. It can add plenty of character to your outdoors space. It won't make any difference whether you are thinking about a surface that features a finished example or the ones that emulates genuine wood. It permits house proprietors to choose from various choices. Family accommodating. Huge numbers of the families don't introduce an outside deck in light of the fact that there are excesses of unwanted voyeurs in their general vicinity. All things considered, enlist an aluminium fence temporary worker and prevent individuals from attacking your protection. Not exclusively will the aluminium fence give security, yet will likewise elevate the magnificence of the house. Composite decking is without a doubt an extraordinary decision for families, because of its smooth and safe surface. You will never need to stress over any splinters, so prepare to invest some quality energy on your open-air deck regardless of whether you are not wearing any footwear. There are different composite decking designs which are planned with unpleasant finished surface, which keeps from slipping regardless of whether the floor is wet. Natural friendly. It for the most part helps with genuine tranquility when you can stroll on your open-air deck and understand that you have settled on an eco-accommodating decision. At the point when you've purchased your composite decking, you can commend yourself, as the surface comprises of recyclable materials. This empowers the house proprietors to make a decking decision that is as careful for what it's worth rational.